there, welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name is Richard, and today I'm coming to you from Knott's Berry Farms. Well, technically the Knott's Marketplace outside of Knott's Berry Farms. I don't have enough time to go into Knott's Berry Farms today, but guess what? We've not had any California beers yet, and I figure now is best time as any to try some California beers that are boysenberry in flavor. Now, boysenberry is a special breed of berry that's probably most famous for Knott's Berry Farm. It's like Knott's Berry Farm's version of Lungenberry. If you know what a Lungenberry is from IKEA, Lungenberry. This is Knott's Berry Farm's equivalent, and they have some very unique boysenberry beers. So we're going to go in. We've already had brunch in the Boysenberry Brunch Festival. Check out that video. But we're going to go in and we're going to try some of the unique boysenberry beers that are made specifically for Knott's. You can get them in the park, but you got to pay admission to get in the park. Here, you can go to the restaurant right here, which will validate you for free for 3 hours, and you can go to Knott's Chicken Dinner Restaurant, and there's a full bar there. So we're going to go to the bar at Knott's Chicken Dinner Restaurant because we got to get in a boat, but that's in like 3 hours. So we're going over to the bar at Knott's and see what's going down. Join along for a boysenberry beer off. All right, so we are now inside of the Chicken Dinner Restaurant, which is also open for lunch. Who would have thunk it? And they have 3 different boysenberry beers, all made by a company called Golden Road Brewing out of Los Angeles. I'm going with the most popular first because I said, what's the one to get? He goes, the most popular is the boysenberry wheat ale. So we're going to give this one a try first. Golden Road out of LA. There's the boysenberry wheat ale. Then we're going to try the boysenberry, that's my Brewery X. The boysenberry lager. So that seems to be a different company. Oh, we got a couple. And then the boysenberry blonde ale. Yeah, so that's Golden Road. That's Golden Road. Yes, they are. That's what I'm partaking in.
Oh my God.
I don't have time.
With you at the Knott's bar.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm jumping on a cruise ship that's got all I can drink at 2 o'clock today. But I've got some time. I have some time to kill. So it's like I came over for the Knott's, the brunch, but they only had the mimosas there. So I had to wait for them to open over here to try the beers. So this is the... Yeah, so it's made by Golden Road out of LA. They have a boysenberry wheat and they have a boysenberry blonde. And then it looks like there's a company called Brewery X that makes some other stuff for them. Well, let's see.
Yeah, nice. Oh, that's a cool name. Roulette? Roulette?
What? Roulette? That's my favorite game.
Yeah, no, isn't that what it says? Or my glasses? I need a new prescription.
I need a new prescription too. R-O-U. That's a roulette hazy IPA. You are 100% correct.
Nice.
So we have a boysenberry lager, a boysenberry wheat, a boysenberry blonde, and a roulette IPA. I don't like IPAs, but I love roulette. So I think we're going to try the roulette IPA as well. Also, while we're here, as we're getting on a cruise ship that probably won't have the best Wi-Fi, and I'm going to finish uploading some stuff, and Knott's has fantastic Wi-Fi. But yeah, that's a good beer. Pretty sure you can probably get this at Golden Road in LA. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yeah, that's great. That says roulette.
Yes. That one there is a roulette IPA. When next to it's a boysenberry blonde ale.
Boysenberry blonde.
Boysenberry lager by Brewery X.
Is Brewery X local too?
Brewery X is out of Anaheim.
Anaheim. Oh, Anacrime.
And
that wheat one's good. I'm going to get my tech set up because I got to get some stuff uploaded before I head to the bar, right? So next up here, again from Golden Road Brewing in this is in Anaheim. This is in LA. This is their blonde boysenberry. It smells like an IKEA beer. Put that lovingly. I love the Lungenberry. The boysenberry is a very strange cousin to the Lingonberry. And yes, we're going proverbially to 2 different LA breweries because we have Brewery X out of Anacrime. We'll talk about Anacrime in a minute. We got Brewery X out of Anacrime. So this is their second most. Is this the second most popular? And then it goes down to the Brewery X thing, then it goes down to the lager.
it's the newest one, so that's why.
So this has been around for a couple years, right?
Yeah,
These have been around for a while. They serve them in the park.
Yes.
They serve them here. And can you get them at the brewery too? You don't know.
I do not believe so.
Okay, so it's private brew just for Knott's. Similar. So these are like the the Disney Star Wars beers of Knott's Berry Farm. Kind of a cool little fun Easter egg. These are really good, actually. That's a really good beer. I'm not gonna lie. So, yeah, I do have to agree that the wheat is better than the blonde. But generally speaking, blondes have more fun, but wheats are better. That's all I'm saying. But yes, these are from Golden Road. And then we have Brewery X to try one more of the lagers. And this, guess what? Technically, since they private labeled this for Knott's, this counts as a brewery in California. So we've had a brewery in all 8 states. Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, New Orleans, that's Louisiana, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and California. Look at that! Look at that! We hit at least one brewery, potentially 2. I mean, technically we hit at least 2 breweries in every state. Isn't that wild? 16 breweries, some distilleries starting for fun. I cheers this road trip. Look, here's the funny thing. A lot of this stuff you wouldn't be able to do if you were flying. See how much these beers are, just for giggles. They're not cheap here. I'm just saying. We're at a theme park. They're not $7 beers. They're a little bit more than $7 beers. They're $15 beers. Because guess what? We're right outside of a theme park. Hey, say it. We're gonna get one more beer, and then we gotta get on the road. We gotta drop off the van, and we gotta get going to go into our cruise ship. So, someone just commented on the Knott's video forum, said that they're 15 minutes from Knott's. Come on, buddy, come on over. I'll give you a call out. E-ticket 562. Come on over, man. Pretty good. One more beer to go here, and then we get out of here. But so far, I agree. Wheat's the best. Blonde's the second best. We're gonna try the lager. $15 a beer is a little steep, but we're at a theme park and we didn't pay for admission. All right, so now we go to one more brewery, at least metaphysically. We're going to one more brewery for one more lager here. This is Brewery X, and they have a raspberry lager. Brewery X is based out of Anaheim, and they make for Knott's officially a raspberry lager. So far, the wheat ale is in the lead, with the blonde fall behind. I said raspberry, I mean boysenberry. Oh, that one. You've tried that one, haven't you? I think that one's probably the best. That one is the most boysenberry forward, I guess.
It's the newest one, so I think that's...
It's very boysenberry forward. If I were gonna rank them right now, Brewery X Boysenberry Lager number 1, Golden Road Boysenberry Wheat number 2, and then Golden Road Boysenberry Blonde number 3. This is very boysenberry forward. Now here's the thing. Again, these are private labeled for a theme park, so they're about double what they would be if you were to go to a brewery. But it is what it is. If I'm coming back here again, which I'll come back to Knott's, no question. Who knows? Even on the back end of my cruise, I might come back to Knott's. Brewery X has the best beer here, zero question. The Brewery X is their lager. It's the most boysenberry forward. Everything else is a beer with a hint of boysenberry. This is boysenberry with a hint of beer. This is Richard from No Pants Profits saying, hope you enjoyed this little review at Knott's of the boysenberry beers, and where you wear no pants. The only thing you got left to lose is your shirt. See, I'm aboard the Carnival Firenze. That's where I'm headed next. But if you're just watching for the beer stuff, again, number 1, Brewery X, boysenberry lager. Number 2, Golden Road, wheat ale boysenberry. And number 3, a Golden Road blonde boysenberry. Again, on the parks, they're $15 each. So they ain't cheap. But when you sit around wearing no pants, the only thing you got to lose, if you remember, is your cool Hawaiian shirt. Bye.